If you ever feel like life's okay, but it could be better, like it's kind of meh, then I want you to consider even the tiniest ways that you can make each moment more enjoyable. And one way I love to introduce this to clients or even friends is like thinking of the five senses. What smells can make working at your desk more pleasant? What sounds could make it more pleasant or fun or relaxing? You know, it's important to think of like the vibe that you want to create as well, because you can really create that through your five senses. Something super simple that I used to do, and I should do it again, but I need to find lights. But I used to have a string of white fairy lights, and I would put it around my laptop and desk or on my bed, if I was getting work done, or even if I was just like relaxing with a book or giving myself like a little massage. It just takes the ambiance from just like meh, whatever, to something like romantic and sensual and uplifting and relaxing. And it honestly, like it makes a difference for your mood. So what are some ways that you can incorporate the five senses more into your life and really like elevate things so that you have a higher mood, or that you feel, you know, a certain vibe or energy that you want to feel more often in your life?